Good morning, everyone. We are on another job. Today we have a JCB 3.6 with a gearbox problem, and I will show it just now. So this is the first gear forward, first gear reverse, second gear reverse, second gear forward, third gear forward. So we have third and the fourth gear in both directions. We are just missing first and second gear. We're just missing first and second. Okay. I'm a bit confused. They told me that it's an electrical problem, but I don't think so, because we are now in first and we put it in reverse, and you can clearly see that the wheels start to move in reverse. So I would say clutch. I would say clutch or maybe oil pressure to that clutch. But first and second one, I have to see which clutch discs are engaged in the same time in forward and reverse, and in first and the second, so we can narrow it down, so we can check the electromagnetic valves, and if we get power on those electromagnetic valves, so we can presume it's clutch. But to be sure, we can test the pressures on these clutches, so we can tell for sure what's happening. I'll do some diagnosing now. When I'll have some news, I'll make a video. Okay, I got something now. So these bottom three ones, electric valves. So the most right one, so it's this one, is the common one for the first and the second gear in forward and reverse. So I get power onto this jack, but there is no ground. So that's our problem. Now we have to open the wiring up, and all of these valves, so there are 3 from the bottom side and 4 from the top side, they should be on the same ground wire. So we are missing ground somewhere in this wire harness. I will have to open everything up and find break in the wire. That's gonna be a long day.